Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency out of Charlotte, North Carolina, and we specialize in search engine optimization for local businesses just like yours and helping you get to the top of Google in order to bring you more leads and more business. And I was doing a Google search for the most popular keyword search term for your niche or your business, and this is what comes up on the first page. Usually there's some ads up here. This is what we call the map section, and then you get into the organic rankings. This is just a directory listing. Here's a competitor of yours, another directory listing, competitor, and the fact is that 80 to 90% of all new searches choose one of those top three search results to do business with. So that's why most companies want to get on the first page, because they know Google is the new phone book. And if you're not in it, especially on the first page, they're just not going to find you. I mean, think of how many times you actually go past the first page for any of the searches that you do. But we did and found you on page 5 right here. So I went to your website, which looks really nice. Love the pictures that come up. Look very friendly. People can relate to it. That's good. It has your number very prominently displayed there for people to easily get in contact with you. That's good. One of the things that actually there's several things that Google does in order to rank you high in their search. They want to trust your site. Google is all about trust, and the websites that they trust, they'll rank them the highest because they are in this for the end user experience. So think of yourself when you do a search. You want to find what you're looking for, immediately. You want to find it on the first page. You want to find it preferably at the top. When you click on it, you want it to match what you're looking for. You want the information on that site to be authoritative and correct. And so Google finds those sites that do that and place them at the top. Now, one of the things that helps Google or helps establish trust with Google is your title tag. So we put your URL in our metadata extractor. This is what comes out as your title, which usually also is what comes out similar to what's on here, but this is a little bit different, and that's okay. Google prefers to see the city and then the keyword listed first here. That's going to boost your rankings, because if you make it congruent with what people are searching for, it's going to push you up in the rankings. So if you just put Charlotte Pest Control Company and then a vertical line, all pro pest management after that, and then anything else that you want, you've got 72 characters to play with there. That'll help boost your rankings. This is a description. You can put different things in there, preferably a keyword in there too. The other thing that Google looks at is your headings on your website. And so this shows you what your H1 tag is, your number one heading. Serving the greater Charleston area is what's signaling to Google. Again, you would want that to be something similar to what people are searching for. Charleston Pest Control Companies, and then serving, and then after that you can put serving the greater Charleston area. So we can make those changes for you. You can make them yourself. Be glad to help you with that. There's other things that go into getting you ranked to the first page and making you stay there. We can help you with all that. So if you have an interest, let me know. Hopefully that helped and gave you some value. Just reply if we can help you out. Thanks and have a good day.